Today, we're diving into some fresh leaks about the next big OnePlus flagship, likely to be called the OnePlus 15. Spoiler alert, it looks like it's shaping up to be a serious contender in the Android flagship arena. So first things first, why the name OnePlus 15 and not OnePlus 14? Well, in Chinese culture, the number 4 is considered unlucky, so the company's skipping right over it. Smart move, right? Now on to the juicy details. Reliable leaker Digital Chat Station just dropped some specs that give us a glimpse of what to expect. The OnePlus 15 is rumored to pack the SM8550 chipset, basically the successor to the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which some might call Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. This is totally in line with OnePlus's usual trend of packing the latest and greatest processors. But here's a surprise. The phone might come with a 6.78-inch 1.5K flat LIPO display. Wait, isn't that a downgrade? Well, sort of. The OnePlus 13 had a bigger 6.82-inch QHD Plus display with those fancy quad-curved edges. The OnePlus 15 screen sounds more like the practical flat display on the OnePlus 13R. Honestly, a flat display with thin bezels isn't a bad move. It could mean better durability and fewer accidental touches. Plus, it's easier to handle for many users. Camera-wise, the engineering test device doesn't have the classic circular camera bump we're used to. The shape is still a mystery, so expect changes by launch. We do know it will sport a 50MP triple camera setup, featuring a large sensor primary shooter and a periscope zoom lens for crisp close-ups. Now here's an interesting twist. The leak suggests OnePlus might launch its own image brand, which could mean a split from their longtime partner Hasselblad. For context, OnePlus and Hasselblad have been working together since the OnePlus 9 in 2021. That partnership has helped improve color accuracy and portrait shots, and we've seen some great results on recent models, including the OnePlus 13. If OnePlus is going solo on imaging, it's either because they're confident in their own tech or planning something new and exciting. We'll have to wait and see how this plays out. So to wrap it up, the OnePlus 15 is expected to bring an upgraded processor, possibly a more practical flat display, a revamped camera system with maybe new branding, and a fresh design language. It definitely sounds like a phone that's going to stand out from the OnePlus 13. What do you think about these changes? Are you team flat display or curved edges? And are you excited or skeptical about the camera rebrand? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Today we're talking about some fresh leaks for the upcoming OnePlus 15, and yes, OnePlus is reportedly skipping the number 14 entirely. So what's the buzz about this new flagship? Well, it's set to pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset, making it a powerful contender for 2025. But that's not all. Thanks to some insider info from Tipster Digital Chat Station, we're already getting some early juicy details. First off, the OnePlus 15 will be a bit more compact than the current model. The display is said to be a 6.78-inch panel, which is slightly smaller than the 6.82-inch screen on the OnePlus 13. And get this, the screen will feature a quad-curved design with conventional R angles made by BOE and promises better power efficiency, brightness, and color accuracy. Digital Chat Station also mentioned some cool physical upgrades like custom buttons on the side, possibly inspired by the OnePlus 13T. On the camera front, expect a periscope sensor for improved zoom capabilities, but it seems like the phone won't have a telephoto macro feature this time around. Battery-wise, we're looking at a big upgrade. The new phone is rumored to pack a battery somewhere between 7,000 and 8,000 mAh. That's a huge leap from the 6,000 mAh cell on the OnePlus 13. Fast charging? The current model has 100 DOU wired and 50 DOU wireless, so we'll see if the 15 improves on that. All in all, the OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be a powerful, more compact flagship with some neat refinements. What do you think about OnePlus skipping 14 and going straight to 15? Excited for the bigger battery and that custom BOE display? Let me know in the comments.